हाय स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्पार्क क्लासेस। ये वीडियो एक सीरीज है। ये सीरीज का पार्ट 1 है जो क्लास 3 टू क्लास 12 मैथमेटिक्स सब्जेक्ट का ऑल इम्पोर्टेंस थ्योरी विथ फार्मूलाज आपको डिटेल्स में एक्सप्लेन होगा। अगर आप चैनल पर न्यू है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और वीडियो के लास्ट तक जरूर देखना, आपको काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स मिल सकता है। What is mensuration? Mensuration is the branch of mathematics in which we study the surface area, volume, perimeter, length, breadth, and height of the geometric shape. Shapes can be 2D or 3D in nature. Let us understand what are the two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes. What is a 2D shape? A two-dimensional shape or 2D shape is defined as flat plane figure or a shape that has only two-dimensional length and breadth. Example of 2D shape are circle, square, rectangle, parallelogram, and rhombus. What is 3D shape? A three-dimensional shape or 3D shape is defined as a solid figure or an object that has three dimensions: length, breadth, and height. Example of 3D shape are a cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere, prism, etc. Difference between 2D or 3D shapes. 2D shapes: triangle, rectangle, circle, octagon, square, pentagon, hexagon, semicircle. 3D shapes: cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere, prism. Triangles. Types of triangles: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, a right triangle, acute triangle, obtuse triangle. आपको ट्रायंगल के बारे में इम्पोर्टेंट थियोरी विथ इम्पोर्टेंट बेसिक फार्मूला आपको डिटेल्स में एक्सप्लेन होगा। डोंट स्किप वीडियो, लेट्स स्टार्ट। Equilateral triangles have all angles equal to 60 degree and all sides equal length. All equilateral triangles have three lines of symmetry. Now discuss the important formulas. What is the perimeter of equilateral triangle? 3 into sides. What is the area of equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 into side square. What is the height of the equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 2 into side. All important problem आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अपलोड हो जाएगा। Isosceles triangles have two angles equal and two sides of equal length. All isosceles triangles have a line of symmetry. Now discuss the important formula. Area equals to half base into height. Height equals to half square root of 4a square minus b square, where a equals to equal side, b equals to base, and h equals to height. Scalene triangle have no angles equal and no side of equal length. Important formula. Area equals to half base into height, or area equals to square root of a whole into s minus a, s minus b into s minus c. Right triangle. Right triangles or right angle triangle have one right angle equal to 90 degree. Perimeter of the right triangle equals to add all sides. Area of the right triangle equals to half base into height. How to find the missing side of a right triangle? Use Pythagorean theorem. H square equals to p square plus b square, where h equals to hypotenuse, p equals to perpendicular, b equals to base. पाइथागोरियन थ्योरम के बारे में आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिटेल्स पे मिल जाएगा। Acute triangle. Acute triangles have all angles acute less than 90 degree. Obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangles have one obtuse angle, an angle greater than 90 degree. The other two angles are acute, less than 90 degree. Now discuss angles. Use of angles. Different type of angles exist in nature, and each one of them carries most important in our daily lives. For example, architects and engineers use angles when designing machines, buildings, roads, etc. Types of angles: zero angles, acute angles, right angles, obtuse angles, straight angles, reflex angles, complete angles. Now discuss the important basic. A zero angle is an angle formed when both the angle's arms are at the same position. An acute angle is an angle that is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Common examples: 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, etc. A 90 degree angle, also known as a right angle, is an angle whose measure is equal to 90 degree is called a right angle. An obtuse angle is a type of angle whose degree measurement is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Common example: 100 degree, 120 degree, 140, 160 degree, 170 degree, etc. A straight angle is an angle whose measure is equal to 180 degree. Reflex angle are the types of angles whose degree measurement is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Common examples: 200 degree, 220 degree, 300 degree, 350 degree, etc. Look at the picture. Triangle PQR is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. A complete angle is equal to 360 degree. One revolution is equal to 360 degree. Adjacent angles have the same vertex and arms. A pair of angles that add up to 90 degree is called complementary angles. A pair angle whose the sum of angles is equal to 180 degree are called supplementary angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are a pair angles formed when a line intersects two parallel lines. Alternate interior angles are always equal to each other. Look at the figure. The sum of the three angles of any triangle is equal to 180 degree. Very important, note down. Alternate exterior angles are simplified. Vertical angles of the alternate interior angle, alternate exterior angle are equivalent. Corresponding angles are pair angles formed when a line intersects a pair of parallel lines. Corresponding angles are also equal to each other, जो आपको नीचे पिक्चर में मेंशन किया गया है। टैलेंट टेस्ट। वीडियो के लास्ट में आपको एक क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा, तो स्क्रीन पर आपको जो डिफरेंट शेप दिखाई दे रहे हैं इसका आंसर क्या है। इसका आंसर आप हमें हमारा सोशल साइट पर भेज सकते हैं। मेंशन योर नेम, स्कूल नेम, प्लेस। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। गुड बाय।